Welcome back. We're in the shop today. We're going to cut some parts. I just got some orders in and I figured I'd just do a little video showing you the process of how I kind of go about everything. I've already kind of pre-programmed the parts in the CAM software. So pretty much all I need to do now is load it up in the the post processor, and then start running it essentially. But I just have to clear out a job that the wife was working on here and then load in my carbon fiber sheet. Carbon fiber blanks here. You can see some drone parts were cut on this, so we're going to cut some more actually. Not a real scientific system here. I just label this as a 5mm sheet on the end here, and that way I can kind of orient the that way I know the thickness of the material I'm throwing in. Butt it in here. I put my little clamp on here. And then we're gonna put in this collet here. This is my 3mm one. Sorry, I can't focus things very well. Put that in. And then I got a whole slew of bits here. These are my 2mm bits all in a tray here. Usually I do one per order. I try to keep the cuts really clean for most people. I get them pretty cheap. These are like $1 a bit. Now that that's in, now I gotta measure the tool. Open up our software here. Connect to the cutter. We're gonna initialize the machine. Kind of see what it does over here. Does like a homing procedure. Takes forever. You'd think it'd be faster, but no. There it goes. That's gonna come back over. It's gonna tell me to put a bit in. I already loaded one in. So then we can measure it. Measure the bit. There you go. Now she's ready to go for the Z height. Alright. Okay, so now that their bit's loaded in, now we gotta calculate Z height. So then I can go on here and jog it over. Don't need to measure it since I already did. We're gonna bring this over. We're gonna go to the location that we're actually going to cut as well. Anyway, so the bit is gonna go down until you move the paper until it doesn't move anymore. See how I just caught? We'll do one more. Now the paper's stuck. It won't move. That means that's where the top is. So we go to set 0 and then we 0 the Z axis. Alright, once we got that, and then we go up. And then we're ready to cut. Alright, we're just about ready to set the job up. I'm going to hit start, the mask up, and my safety glasses on. Put our dust collection in. That's our boot. Alright. It's going to probe off of that. Set our speed up and then we're going to go. All right, parts are complete. Now it's time to pull them out. Usually just pry them out from a corner here. Pull up. Little tape stuck on there still. Peel that off. And there's some carbon dust on there. This is why you wear a mask. It's very important. Then we'll throw this in a bucket of water and then clean it. Pull that one out. Ready to go. We'll go wash these up right now. All right, guys, parts are complete. They are cleaned, ready to go out to the customer. That pretty much concludes the video. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you kind of the process of cutting a small order such as this. I cut parts every day, so if you do need something, reach out to me, ungercnc@gmail.com if you need any help. I can give you a quote right over email as well. Usually I respond within the same day. So yeah, feel free to hit me up. Let me know if you need anything cut. Thanks for watching. Bye.